Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to switch account on the application of Trello. You will go to this app of Trello here, then we click in this sign. After that we click on settings. Here we go to this window of profile and visibility. Here in this page you will wait a moment until you find here this window of Trello. Then we click in this sign of settings. After that we go to this window of manage or delete your account, as you see here. Then this page you will click in this sign of profile, and here we'll find switch account. We click, then you can choose any account here to switch your account to it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.